Imagine a world where death is no longer inevitable, where aging slows down, and medical advancements extend life far beyond the current average lifespan. It might sound like science fiction, but developments in biotechnology, regenerative medicine, and artificial intelligence are inching us closer to a reality where humans could live significantly longer, perhaps indefinitely. In this video, we explore the scientific progress toward immortality, the medical breakthroughs happening, and the ethical questions that arise when we consider extending life to its absolute limits. The science of immortality. Where are we now? Number 1. Telomeres and telomeres. The aging clock. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division, eventually causing cells to age and die. This shortening has been a cornerstone in aging research for decades. Scientists are exploring ways to slow or even reverse telomere shortening using advanced gene editing techniques and gene therapies. One of the most promising approaches is activating telomerase, the enzyme responsible for maintaining or even lengthening telomeres. Researchers at companies like Calico Life Sciences are studying telomerase activation in animal models. Recent studies have shown that activating telomerase in mice can extend their lifespan by as much as 25%. While human applications are still far off, telomerase therapy could potentially delay aging or increase longevity, especially when combined with other regenerative therapies. However, some experts caution that indiscriminate telomerase activation could increase the risk of cancers, as the enzyme also plays a role in tumor growth. In addition to telomerase, gene editing technologies like CRISPR or Cas9 are being employed to modify the genes responsible for telomere maintenance. CRISPR, a groundbreaking tool that allows precise edits to DNA, has shown potential in early-stage experiments to extend the lifespan of cells and delay cellular aging. A group of researchers at the University of California, Berkeley successfully used CRISPR to extend the life of human cells in laboratory conditions by editing specific genes associated with telomere lengthening. Although these results are promising, experts note that such technologies need to be tested for safety and efficacy before they can be applied to humans. Number 2. Stem cells and regenerative medicine. Rebuilding the body. Stem cells have long been considered one of the most promising tools for extending human lifespan and regenerating aging tissues. These cells have the ability to become any cell in the body, making them invaluable for repairing damaged tissues. However, as we age, our stem cells lose their regenerative power. One exciting area of research is induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, which are adult cells that have been reprogrammed to behave like embryonic stem cells. Studies involving induced pluripotent stem cells are showing real potential in the regeneration of tissues and organs. In a groundbreaking study, researchers at Kyoto University in Japan successfully regenerated damaged heart tissue in mice using induced pluripotent stem cells, reversing some signs of heart disease. This technology holds potential for human applications in the near future, potentially providing a way to regenerate heart, liver, or even brain tissue damaged by age-related diseases. Another promising development is the use of organoids, miniaturized versions of organs that can be grown in labs from stem cells. These organoids are used to model diseases and study aging in a controlled environment. Researchers at Harvard University successfully grew a fully functional organoid of a human liver, which could provide valuable insights into the aging process of organs and lead to therapies that could regenerate or replace damaged tissues. By using stem cells to grow new organs or repair damaged ones, regenerative medicine has the potential to delay aging, reduce disease, and ultimately extend human lifespan. While still in early stages, these therapies may one day offer a solution to age-related organ failure. Number 3. Senescence and rejuvenation. Reversing aging at the cellular level. Cellular senescence occurs when cells stop dividing but remain alive, accumulating over time and contributing to inflammation and tissue dysfunction. As we age, the number of senescent cells in our body increases, which leads to a decline in organ function. In recent years, a class of drugs called senolytics has emerged as a potential way to target and eliminate these aged, non-dividing cells. Unity Biotechnology, a biotech company focused on senolytic therapies, has been conducting clinical trials to determine whether clearing senescent cells can improve health and extend lifespan. Early-stage human trials have shown promise. Patients with osteoarthritis who received senolytic treatments reported improved joint function and reduced pain. Research also suggests that senolytics might have broader applications, such as delaying or even reversing age-related diseases like Alzheimer's, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. In addition, recent studies have shown that removing senescent cells in mice not only extended their lifespan, but also improved their quality of life by preventing the onset of age-related diseases. These findings have led to a growing interest in the use of senolytic drugs as part of an anti-aging strategy. However, experts caution that much more research is needed to determine the long-term safety and efficacy of these therapies in humans. A key molecule in aging research is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which plays a crucial role in energy production and cellular repair. As we age, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide levels naturally decline, leading to decreased cellular function and increased susceptibility to age-related diseases. Clinical trials of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide precursors like nicotinamide riboside and nicotinamide mononucleotide have shown that supplementing these molecules can improve muscle function, energy levels, and metabolic health in older adults. Companies such as Elysium Health are selling nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide supplements, while researchers are exploring their potential to combat the effects of aging at the molecular level. Although promising, experts warn that long-term clinical evidence is still needed before these treatments can be fully endorsed. Artificial intelligence and longevity, the future of immortal minds. In addition to physical regeneration, the concept of digital immortality is capturing the imagination of scientists and futurists alike. What if we could upload our consciousness to a machine, allowing us to continue living in a virtual environment, free from the constraints of the biological body? While this idea remains speculative, advancements in artificial intelligence and brain-computer interfaces are laying the groundwork for such technologies. Companies like Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, are pioneering the development of brain-computer interfaces. These devices aim to directly connect the human brain with computers, potentially allowing for enhanced cognitive abilities, memory restoration, and communication. Some researchers believe that one-day brain-computer interfaces could enable people to upload their consciousness, preserving their minds after the death of their biological body. While the technology is still in its infancy, Neuralink is working on implanting chips into human brains for the treatment of neurological disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. If successful, these technologies could open up a new frontier in extending human cognition and potentially preserving human consciousness. Despite the excitement surrounding digital immortality, many experts remain cautious. While BCIs and AI-driven technology show promise, uploading consciousness remains purely theoretical, and there are significant ethical, philosophical, and technical challenges to overcome. For example, questions about the nature of consciousness and whether a digital replica of a mind would truly be alive remain unresolved. Moreover, the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence raises concerns about privacy, autonomy, and even the future of humanity itself. Should we live forever? While the science of immortality is exciting, it brings with it profound ethical dilemmas. If immortality were to become a reality, how would society handle the consequences of drastically extended lifespans? One of the most pressing issues is the overpopulation that could result from immortality. If people lived for centuries or longer, the Earth's population would likely grow exponentially, further straining resources like food, water, and energy. According to a report from the United Nations, Global population growth is already posing significant challenges in terms of sustainable development. If immortality were achieved, these challenges would only increase, making resource management a critical issue for the future. Additionally, there are concerns about social inequality. If immortality became a reality, would it be available to all, or just the wealthiest individuals who could afford the technology? The disparity between the rich and poor in accessing advanced healthcare and life-extending treatments is already a significant issue. The ethical implications of giving some people the ability to live forever, while others face shorter, more difficult lives, are profound. How would this affect societal dynamics, power structures, and the definition of human rights? And there you have it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of living forever, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Share this video with anyone who dreams of living forever or anyone who's just curious about how soon it might happen. Until next time, live long, live curious, and never stop exploring.